Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, we are sharing a Bael leaf or Bilwa leaf buttermilk recipe. This buttermilk helps to maintain blood sugar levels, removes excess heat from the body, and also improves digestion. Ingredients are Bael leaves or Bilwa leaves 10 to 15, freshly grated coconut half cup, cumin seeds or jeera half teaspoon, black peppercorns half teaspoon, salt as per taste, and curd or buttermilk 1 cup. Firstly, collect the fresh bilwa leaves and wash them thoroughly under running water. Then take a pan and add 1 teaspoon of coconut oil to it and heat it. Then add half teaspoon of black pepper and half teaspoon of cumin seeds or jeera to it and roast it for about 30 seconds. Then add the bilwa leaves to it and roast it for about 1 minute. Then turn off the flame and allow this mixture to cool down completely. Then transfer this mixture into a blender jar. To this, add half cup of freshly grated coconut and grind it into a smooth paste. This buttermilk is also helpful in reducing diarrhea and dysentery. It also helps to cure mouth ulcers. Add some water if required and grind it into a smooth paste. Then filter this mixture to extract the juice out of it. If fresh buttermilk is not available, curd can be blended and buttermilk can be prepared. Add the fresh buttermilk into the prepared Bael juice and mix it well. Sour buttermilk or sour curd must not be used for this recipe. Add some water and adjust the consistency as required. Finally, add salt to taste and the Bael leaves buttermilk is ready for consumption. This can be consumed as it is or can be used as a side dish with rice. Try this and share your feedback in the comments below. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more such useful and informative videos. Thank you.